let's actually start doing some Ethernet code and like stop with all this stuff. Cargo new uh advent of code lib. Okay, mod day 1. Mod test. Config test. So you're happy, right? Coolio. Oh, great. So, the chief has comments. Alright. President Potato and last, but not seen Chief Historian. Okay, unless the star. That's presiding puzzle. So looking for the historian? Classifications check is empty. Uh, nested folders. Let's fucking. Day 1 RS. Some modules less. Mod day 1. Day 1 dash mod. Done. Great. Pick test, mod test, and then we have it. So to do test fun example test, and it's going to be a to do and test they part 1 example fun part run meal. So to do it's not my name, but unique code's location ID. The small one in the left list with the smallest one in the right list. Then the second left number. Okay, so we have fun day 1 part 1 solution. And we're going to take in a string. Input is going to be a string. How do you get that? input colon string. No, it's give it a string. You don't need to be honest. And it's going to claim it's not used. It's not used. Assert that part one. It's going to be a distance, so you want to output integer. I32, great. Assert. Part one. And we have our actual. What is my piece of chocolate for? Huh? Where's my piece of chocolate for? Where is my piece of chocolate for? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you understand. Piece of chocolate. What piece of chocolate? What are you talking about? Piece of chocolate. We need to get the actual puzzle input too. Save it as input.text into documents, programming, evidence code, source day one, day one input.text, save. Day one input here. We want to include string day one input.text. And let wait, check. We need to do that. I said apt. I figured it's like one of those. No, it's like it's yeah, it's like that, except instead of chocolate every day, you get a new programming challenge every day. It's the advent of code. And this is currently unimplemented. We're going to want to println part one solution onto the input. Yes. And you are complaining why? Format argument must be a string literal. That's true. Format argument does have to be a string literal. And it's going to be complaining because it's not different. Well, because that's not actually, it's fake. There you go. It loves it. It loves it. And then we want to assert that part one. No, we want to assert equal that part one solution on example input equals. Let's check that day one input. Yeah. Oh, it's this. I don't like how it looks. But who cares? You know what? No, I do not like how it looks. Let's tab it out. So you're going to let example input equal that. Thank you. And this is example input. The example input should equal 11. Great. So for a left equals vec, and the right left equals that's a vector. If you have the right left be a vector, and then we want to do for A, B, and A, B, and input dot. We want to split on white space. Right, that's what I want. Something like white space. Mm-hmm. Dot. And can you pairwise? What do we have here? Why don't you split into like twos, right? This zips them up. Rust iterator take 2 at once. How do we do that? I want to consume them. Okay, let left equals true. This is dumb, right? For thing n the white space f left match left. This is so dumb. If it's true, then we want to left equals false. Let mutable left. Thank you. Also, these are both mutable too. FYI, in case you weren't keeping track at home, you are complaining while you're complaining. That's John false not covered. That's great. You should be complaining about that. Left, left, append. Not pen. I keep getting this wrong. We want to push. Please push and the thing dot. Dude, how do you parse and enter? Parse and what? Okay, so we want to do like thing dot parse dot. Okay. Okay. You are a vec. This is also I'm please don't take this. You are a vec of I32s, please. Just FYI, in case you want to wear. Get with the freaking memo, bud. And you're still complaining that the other arm is not matched. That's correct. It's not matched. Look at my cool new trick. It's called matching the arm. Left. Actually, we can just do this. Right list dot push thing dot parse dot unwrap. And then after each of these, left equals not left. Flip the thing to left. And so now we parse these. Parts numbers are okay. Left dot sort. Right left dot sort. Or left item right item and left dot as enter into enter dot zip other right less dot into enter. You hate it. You hate it. You hate it. You hate it. Zip rust. Zip rust. Actually, we could like look at the iter. That's it. Or we do left item, right item in this. Hey, we got it. Okay. Yeah, how far the two numbers are? You add up all the distances. So get the left item minus let's use total distance equals 0. Except from minus right item. Take the absolute value of this, please. And then total distance is equal to that. Okay, and then we want to just return the total distance. So now if you want this example, it's going to complain. Why is it going to complain? Because panic is not yet implemented. Okay, we don't do that. It thinks you're cool. It thinks you're cool. So therefore, this should be this. Hell yeah, okay. This real input. Fantastic. Okay, part 2. Can you view it in here? You'll be able to sign in. Which, I mean, you won't let me do it with this browser. Unfortunately. I guess we could do a description.md. Okay, here we go. Part 2. And it's not even MD, this is a TXT. Okay. But MD can't give us nicer formatting. Yeah, okay. We're doing MD. It doesn't matter if it's not right. It's okay. Part 2. Janus has confirmed that everyone feared 2 location IDs are indeed very different. Or are they? A lot of the location IDs appear on both lists. Maybe the other locations aren't IDs at all, but rather mistook the handwriting. Figure out exactly how often each number from the left list appears on the right list. Adding up each number on the right list after multiplying it by the number of times that number. By adding up each number in the right left list. Okay. Function part 2 solution. We take an input, and it's going to be the same type signature. It's going to be the same parsing code. Test function part 2 example. It's going to have the same input. And then test of the part 2 wheel. And the puzzle input is the same. And just please print it out, if you may. It's gonna be a 31 for this. Okay, so part 2 solution. Oh, yeah, you do I32. 32-bit integer. You're complaining because you're like, oh, this is supposed to be an integer. This is unimplemented, okay? Chill. No, this is to do. It's to do. Yeah, okay. No more red squigglies. No more red squigglies. Okay. So I mean, you can just do this smartly by parsing n. I'm not like really too concerned with that, honestly. For I in left, let mute similarity equals 0. Begin with similarity dot plus equals I times right less dot. You want to contains. You want to see how many. Which one of these many functions has it? None of them? You're joking me. You're joking me. Really? Okay, count occurrence thus. Oh, wait, that's filter. Yeah, okay, dot filter, dot. Okay, how do you filter? Filter. Item. And it says item equals I. You don't like it. The reference item equals I. Thank you. Why is it totally reference? Okay, whatever. Filter it, and then count the amount of these, right? Dot into. You don't like it. Why not? To I32. Type annotation into. Dot Toverfish? Where do you want me to put the Toverfish? I can put the Toverfish wherever you want, baby. Here? Okay, Russ. Where do you want me to put the Toverfish? What's my example? Fine. Do it this way. I-32. And then... Convert U size to I-32 Rust. This should not be hard. I-32 from. Try from or just unwrap, man. Okay? Jeez. You are mad because it's still just kind of similarity. What? It's an I-32. What? Where the fuck is it? What? Go away. Wait, what? Similarity. Okay. No funny business, huh? What's your example? You love it. It loves it. And does it take this? Fantastic. We did it. That's day one complete. Alright, Alright, do all this. B dot dot. You have a game get. Let's get my GitHub's shit for this. I forget where it's located. Email. Let's type in that. Then git commit -m initial commit. C dot dot. Yep. Well, actually, wait, no. No. No, ignore Rust. Remove -A. Remove files. Get. Okay, 1 second. Open contain folder. Yes, Gavin code. Get. Delete. Piece of trash. Thank you. Get. And net. Get config dash global and net that default branch main. Why do you still have it as? Did I just like mess inside itself? Okay, then. Where's the trash? Get. And then. Fantastic. Now let's get the new file as rebelling against me. New file. I said new file. Okay. It is refusing to open a new file. Create new text file. Get ignore. Okay. I cannot stand it when the computer rebels against me. Against me, of all people. I'm the one who deserves the computer the most. Select window. Untitled workspace. Oh, okay. Just don't know what's going on, do you? Okay, I want you to open the app in the code folder. Don't save workspace configuration. Okay, thank you. Now from this get ignore, we're gonna have the nonsense that we want. So I'm concerned if this will actually pick it up for the subfolders. It will, okay, good. Initial commit. And please publish to a GitHub public repository, please. What do you mean? Can't push remote? Get poll. Okay, I guess I'll have to push it. Okay. Okay. New repository. Just what have I call it here? Advent of code 2024. Oh, I have it exists. Okay. Is it some authentication nonsense? There wasn't any comments. Oops. Oh, eesh. Alright, you guys gonna have to close your eyes for a second. File. Now I'm trying to find out where my where the SSH keys are located here. Settings. SSH keys. But no SSH keys. Oh yeah, I don't want them to be. I want tokens. Where are the tokens? Packages. No. Applications. No. Moderation. No. Billing and plans. Definitely not. Passwords and authentication. That sounds right. Passkeys. No. Okay, where the fuck are the personal access tokens? Oh my god. GitHub personal access token. Settings is under developer settings. Of course. And wants me to enter in my authenticator password. Everything is so easy in a modern age. Wow. Authenticator. 531619. Yep. Oh. No one log into my account in the next 30 seconds. It's in. We did it. Should not happen so hard. Ah. Anyway, great. Let's do set up day 2. Day 2. That's not what I want. With trash. New folder. Date. Date. Okay. No, not file. Folder. Day 2. And then mod.rs. Great. And now we just need to wait 14 minutes. Find the finest copyright-free music they have on the internet for Christmas. Copyright-free Christmas music. The YouTube mix. Not sure how much I trust YouTube mix in knowing whether something's not copyright. And I just realized I don't actually have any sound coming through my headset. So I could not hear that I was actually playing music. Vlog, no copyright music. Best vlog, no copyright music that is non-copyright, so you can use it in YouTube videos. Thank you. Vlog, no copyright music. Bum, 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 bum. I can take this time to join the leaderboards of Peeps. Alright, let's put in various private leaderboards. And the Zachtronics Discord leaderboard too. Yeah. Oops. I logged in with my Google account to sign myself on my GitHub. That's why it was different. Oh, fine. Having the code is cool. It makes you hip. It is the new digs. Yeah. Day 2. I probably should have gotten like stuff set up to do like processing for this and whatnot, but who cares? Do like make a folder day template. Why is this taking so long? What? You're making a folder. Is it doing weird verse analyzer stuff because I have clock macro? It's probably doing weird verse analyzer stuff because I have a clock macro. I'm sorry, I'm just that cool. mod.rs, and then we want to have like a. I mean, just copy what we have in here. Right. What do you mean it's not using? Oh. Mod. The day 2. Mod day template. There you go. So now it's like, yes, I know what you're doing. Expected comma? What? What do you mean expected comma? How is this anything but fine? I think Verse Analyzer is choking. It's dying. Part 1 solution. To do. Part 2 solution. To do. Oh, because you have 2 solutions for part 2. Why do you have that? Don't have that. Test. Use. Don't use that. Go away. Part 1 example. Let example input equal to do. It's great because to do is everything. But example input to do. Let real input equals day template input.text. So equal part 1 solution and to do. Honestly, you might as well like you. God. Got all fucked up. Test function part 2 real let real so you're to do and you equal to do too. That's great how you could fix everything by just saying to do. And now the compiler isn't mad at me, because I told you. It's all to do. I can just put this in here. Didn't find part 1 solutions. Go. Use part 1 solution. You need this. There you go. is misspelled. Actually, I want you to print out the real ones. There you go. Let's see here. Quick facts. Oh, because you see the 2U and you're like, you're mad? I don't care. Frankly, you can whine, you can whinge. I don't care, I'm better than you. That's what I want to say to the West compiler. I'm better than you. I don't respect you. Bow, bow. I'm just chilling right now. Just chilling, we're waiting. Don't they know it's Christmas? Because I don't. One minute left. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me in, Chief. Loading. Just because the site's hammered, or no? Thanks for being so. Yeah. Okay. What? Here, I want day 2. What? That browser's not gonna work. Try this browser. Yeah. It's mutiny then. Oh, there you go. Alright, description MD. Proposal input. Personally, the first location historians want to search is on a long walk from the chief historian's office. While the red-nosed reindeer nuclear fusion fiction man just became no chief historian, so introduced this, so went out to see you. Apparently, he's still talking about the time real office saying to molecular synthesis from a single electron. Yes, Yahweh, they really should help analyzing some unusual data. Tend to check if the humans are likely able to. That's right. Each part is a lesser number called levels that separated by spaces. When you put a line, yeah. Well. Okay. So let's our example input. Actually, let's do example. Pull that text, and then day 2 example input. Day 2 real input dot text. Gateway timeout. Okay. Include string day 2 example input text. Two reports are safe. Let levels equals a vec for level n. Input dot split line split white space, but yeah, split on lines for number and level split on white space, please. Level input, let level as a vec of int i32s. Make a new vec. For number and level and split I space, wait space. Yes, it's level input. Sorry. Level dot append push. I want to push the number dot twice. dot unmap. And then we want to levels dot push level. And this needs to be mute, and this also needs to be mute. I feel like this thing would be like dumb good base. We need to look up and down for the next one, but oh wait. Let faith levels equals 0, and this is mutable for level n levels. That's safe equals 2. Let prev number equals which is a let mutable prev number, which is going to be an option of I say 2, it's going to be to none, for and for number and level. What you looking for here? Okay. F prev number dot is sum and number level dot hop first equals hop just unmap these. You know it's gonna have them. First minus last. The absolute value of first minus last is greater than 3. Save equals 2. It's not safe, and while level dot while level dot while it's not empty, level dot push level of pop. F increasing and last is less than new. Safe false. Else if not increasing and that is where the new false. Let you new the pop dot unmap safe. And then we want to have last equals new. And then F safe num safe levels is equal to 1 and the amount of safe levels. Great. Just checking. Oh, last minus new. Shit. So safe, yeah. And should this be unsafe? Safe, unsafe, unsafe, unsafe. This one's this one's safe. 8644. Ew. Okay. Edge case. Okay, now doing that right. Coolio. Alright. Real input is day include string. Day 2 real input text. Ooh. Do any of these have like only one thing in them? Do you have like the empty case? I reckon you have like an empty case, right? Maybe the OG level. That into editor dot filter level dot not level dot is empty. No empty levels, please. Okay. So stop putting that. Thing 402. Fantastic. Okay. Part 2. The engineers are surprised by the low number of safety parts. So it's got to have a good problem dampener. Oh! Says you telling a single bad level was ought to be a safety port. So if removing a single level from the sun safety port marks it safe. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Going to function find is unsafe level, which takes in a vec of which level, which is a vec of I32s, and outputs a boolean. So, it's gonna be called OG level, I guess. And then output safe. Instead of doing this, if let's change syntax must. Yeah, it doesn't include the ends. Great. OG level dot. Dot clone. Dot remove sublevel. Let mute sublevel. Sublevel remove the index. Let's say sublevel sub. Then is safe equals 2. This is a let mute. F is safe. Num equals 1. So this is going to be this. And this should be 4. Don't know what's happening here, but I likes it. Four, five, five. It says. Oh my god. Yeah. Sweet. Great. You did it. Let's say two done. Let's commit and push. Oh, once again? Oh my god. Okay, you gotta hide for a second. Alright, it should be good now. Hopefully it won't ask me for that anymore. But yeah, we did. We did. We did. We done. Good job. I'll see you tomorrow.